Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Vens Tarot, and this is your September love forecast. Yes, friends, this is for the month of September 2020. I can't believe we are into 2020 September. My God, this year has been such a roller coaster. Finally, we are into September. Congratulations. I hope you all made it till here and are safe, happy, healthy and feeling good. Friends, friends, please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. If you want to see the Hindi Urdu versions, they are on my other channel, the Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps or in the community of our channel. And friends, this reading is if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer by any astrology. Friends, this reading is for you. I'll be looking into your love life in detail. So let's first see what's the theme of the month of September for you, because I am Cancers very excited to know what's going to happen. Oh my God, look at this one card already jumped out for you, Cancers. What's the theme? I didn't even ask the question. What's the theme of the month for Cancers? September, what will happen? You are going to gain a lot of power. Cancer, September is like, yes. Theme of the month for Cancers for September. Okay. Angel of Balance, number 48, the Strength card, and number 50, and Community, number 7. Love is very important. I feel like relationships with family, with friends, they are very important for you in the month of September. I also feel you are going to get a lot of balance in your life, the balance which was missing in the past from your love life or your life in general, Cancers. It is going to be restored in the month of September. Congratulations. I also feel like some sort of celebration is coming your way, Cancers. So congratulations. I feel like some of you, most of you will be spending more time with friends or making some new connections. Maybe through work also, you will I don't know how to say this. Maybe you will attract some new friendships from work, or you will find new people to work with. Your creativity will be on a high. Let's look at this. Look at this. All the lovely ladies here with music, harp, flowers. So music, artistic, creative talent will be very high for you in the month of September. I also feel you could be dealing with a twin flame in September. Health issues will get better for you in the month of September, friends. Definitely, you are coming out like a phoenix. Look at this. Look at this line. It's like it's fearless. Look at the angel. She's unafraid. That's you, Cancers. That's you, my baby, Cancers. Nothing baby about you in the month of September. Nana, you are the mighty lions. God forbid anyone who crosses your path, because you are this mighty, mighty angel of balance, the mighty lionesses. You are on fire, and nobody shall mess with you. I feel this is going to be a powerful, powerful month for you, not just in your love life, but I feel in every area of your life, you are going to get on top of your life. And if you are facing some issues with health, you are going to recover there. And if you are struggling in relationships, like I feel you had been struggling in relationships, balance is coming. Balance is coming. So let's see what will happen in your love life, single or couples, whatever. Cancers, let's see. What will happen in September for Cancers in their love life? Let's see. Cancers, what will happen for Cancers in their love life? Okay. Wow, communications. Eight of Rods, the Queen of Rods. Yeah, I see a lot of attraction. I see a lot of. I don't know if you can see the cards. I wish I can give you a closer look at them. I'll pick them up, so don't worry about it. The Queen of Rods. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, Cancers. The Page of Cups. Look at this, your own energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Wow, now that's interesting. What will happen for Cancers for September? Ten of Cups of Happiness. Wow, friends, this is awesome. I knew when I pulled the initial cards, the beginning cards, I knew it was going to be a great month for you and such a relief. Trust me, it doesn't make me happy when I give you heavy readings. No, I also want happiness for you. The Knight of Cups again. September, how the month of September will be in love. Ace of Pentacles. I don't know why this fall out in reversed. Okay, I don't feel this is reversed, but this just came out reversed. This has fallen here. Oh, Five of Rods. So let's see. I think you start the month feeling like you are ready to talk with people, you are ready to socialize with people. Cancers, you are not at all feeling antisocial. You want to talk with people in September, or people want to talk to you, they want to get to know you better. If you are already in a relationship, you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, single or coupled. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, man or a woman. Or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I definitely feel there are new people. If let's just talk about singles. If you are a single person, new people are coming, friends. A lot of communications are coming your way, but I do see you getting confused or frustrated which one to choose, or why should I choose only one? Why can't I have all of them? So there is some thoughts going on, some confusion. You might also, if you are single, you might have a difference of opinion or an argument also. Sorry to say that. Uh, but yeah, you will be attracting someone very sexy, very bold, very strong-minded, a person, and you're gonna really like that person. They will inspire you, Cancers, to do something better in life, or maybe they will say you are a little, you will be a good team because they are very passionate, you are emotional, so together you can do a lot, you know. Ten of Cups, there is a strong chance of a holiday or you spending a weekend there. So, single Scorpios, I see you are on to something, huh? Maybe you want to travel with this person, or they have traveled, or they are from some other country or another city. So you'll talk and discuss about those things. It will be interesting. I do see that the beginning, if you are single, the start of this connection might be a little bumpy. But later on, I think you are going to like them and probably offer them your heart with a sweet kiss, Cancers. Yeah, moonlight kiss. I know that. I know that's your favorite. I definitely feel if you have a crush on a celebrity or someone who is very popular, Cancers, I see you going out and saying, just laying your heart in that person's hand or whatever, you are really going to get proposed, or you are going to propose someone. This is a massive, September is massive about new starts for you in love. Let's talk about coupled Cancers. Let's talk about them. Wow, communications are going to really start for you, coupled up Cancers. Those who are in a relationship, or you are waiting for a person, or you are already married, for those. Communications are coming. Someone is really missing you. This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. A lot of age gap between you and this person. This person is coming back. They will like you. They miss you. I think they have been crying over you. Now they want to come back and talk with you, but I see you resisting their offer, their chance of talking, I see cancers, you're not happy with them coming in your life, or you are like, why are you back now? Why now? So you have some questions, some tough questions from this person, or they may ask you, like, they may also like to play some hard to get game here. Sorry, but yeah, that's the energy here. If they are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, they can be a little dominating. So some difference of opinions may happen, but I feel it will only lead to passions being burning high for you in September, and definitely leading to this 10 of cups of happiness. A lot of clarity, a lot of depth in love will come. Your passions will be high. Some of you could be getting married or settling down or talking about commitment and marriage. Some of you, if you are already married, you might be, the issue is like you might discuss on expansion of the family, or you are expecting a baby in September. Congratulations! Wow, that's perfect. The 10 of Cups. Maybe some of you are moving into a bigger home, or you want a bigger home, or moving in with a partner. Those things are on your mind. Marriage, commitment, the future is on your mind, Cancers. That's the my point to say here. Like you, no matter who comes towards you or who is in relationship with you, you want to talk about future. You are serious. Commitment is serious issue to you. I also feel that this person has left you high and dry, Cancers. They keep, this relationship is like a little erratic, I would say. Like it is a little tough relationship for you, Cancers, because the passions are very, very high. But when it gets too high, you guys fight, but then you make up quickly, and there is this hot love, and you just completely head over heels in love with them. But then, meh, something from the past comes up, and then. Let me just take a clarifier here. What's happening in the end of September for you? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not what I want for you, Cancers. Oh my god. So, yeah, some issues can happen. Some past issues at the end of September can happen. Some past skeletons can open up again in your relationship. I also feel someone, maybe you have left someone behind, and I don't know why, but I feel maybe there are two people in your life. There is this Aries, Leo, Sag, and there is someone else also, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe this person is in your person's life. Sorry to say that, but at the end of September, there is this energy that both of you want to end something, some past issues which are affecting the relationship, this heartache, this pain, or something may be revealed to you, like, like this person is not choosing you, they are choosing their work, they don't choose you, they keep putting, or maybe, I'm sorry to say, but please come back after the month, or maybe in the mid of the month, to confirm the reading, because I do know it's going to be true for you. So I'm sorry to say this, but I do see that maybe you will discuss these things. Like there is this, uh, you know someone from the past coming back, or some issues from the past coming back. They might cause you confusion in the relationship, it might cause you heartache, you might feel they are cheating, or they are not giving you time, you might get upset with them. Maybe there is a third party alert is here. But I feel this person, you will also be having some choices at the end of September, Cancers. No matter what, whether you are single or coupled, there will be choices in your love life at the end of September, or mid to the end of September. There will be this person, there will be someone else also. So you will be confused whether to choose them or not. But I feel a promising new start is here for you, a very, very strong committed start is here for you. So you don't have to worry about anything. It's not like the world has ending for you, or this relationship is like crumbling for you. No, this relationship is going to get better. Some commitment, or like you in the beginning want some commitment from this person, so they might offer you some commitment, like, hey, have this ring. So something like that. Let me just take another clarifier. Yeah, see, definitely someone wants to work with you and in a relationship. Someone wants to put an effort in this connection. And they don't want that. They know that you are doing too much, cancers. You are very loving, nurturing, and giving. So the other person wants to share your load and take your hand and love you a lot. But yeah, that's interesting. Really, the month starts with a lot of hot passion, hot energy, and a lot of a lot of steamy times, romantic dates, and then offers of love, and then a lot happening at the end. Let us see your romance angels. Let's take some advice. Let's take some advice for you. And then I'll pull some romance angels. Any advice for cancers for the month of September? Oops, okay. Angel of Love, number 49. See, the Angel of Love is himself with you. Friends, it's time, it's this month is for you to take care of yourself, your body, your mind, your hair. Fall in love with yourself in amazing, sorry friends for the bad words. A lot of love is coming your way, friends. A lot of love. It's like truckloads of love is coming, and I do see love is from friends, from friendships, relationships, new friends coming into your life, a lot of love. And I think you should focus on the present moment rather than the past or the future, cancers. That is your advice. Focus on the love, focus on the present moment. And I feel April and September are important for you. Any other advice? All tied up. I do feel number 23 is important, 25, 24 also. You may feel a little restricted right now, but it is going to change, friends. Don't give up hope. Things are going to change for you, definitely, absolutely, cancers. Let's see a love message for you, friends. Although this is the love message, but let's see. Wow, this is the romance of your lifetime. Ooh, congratulations, friends. I don't know. I need some special musics for you. Trust me, true love. This is your true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. That's why you keep meeting again and going back. You are like magnets. When you come too close, it's like lovey-dovey. But when you are too close, it's like also a bit of a war. And then you go again, you give each other some space, and then you come back again. Beautiful, lovely. Let's see any other message for cancers for the month of. Oh my god. They are all sticking together. See? Any message for cancers? Thank you. Okay, this wants to come. I'll take them. Flute. Disappointment in a friend or a lover. I think this might be the past energy, or you start like, like you feel a little restricted or disappointed, like they are not messaging you, they are not giving you a gift, they are not being there with you. So I think this is the past energy. Pay attention to your health, Ken. We also have the strength in the beginning of the reading. So definitely, I think you are worried about your health, which is going to recover in the month of September. Don't worry about it. Forest. Muddled, unclear thinking. I definitely feel this month, September, is like there is too much on your mind because of lot of people, a lot of communications coming your way. Everyone wants to talk to you, so you might feel at times a little confused or a little angry or like, oh, come on, frustrated. Cheerful, someone new is entering your life. I told you there is a chance of someone new coming for you. Someone new is entering your life. Congratulations. Clouds, temporary problems. Your problems which are currently dealing with, they are temporary and things are going to change. A journey, either physical or mental. I told you, friends, there is talk about moving, shifting, or moving in with a person, or getting married, or buying a new home, or traveling. Someone wants to travel towards you. Travel is important for you in September. So friends, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you. If you wanna please do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot and like this video. And friends, On your request, I have done the individual signs because I usually combine them, but you all requested it. So, friends, please subscribe, like. It's more work for me. And if you want to watch the Hindi versions, they will be on our other channel, Magic Vens Tarot Hindi Urdu. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye for now.